Ever wondered what would happen if our moon, that silent guardian of the night, suddenly went rogue and began hurtling toward Earth? Hold tight, because what you're about to discover is a cosmic catastrophe of unimaginable scale.
Place to confirm his findings on the moon.
As the moon begins its deadly descent, the first signs of chaos unfold long before it even reaches our atmosphere. The moon's gravitational pull already commands Earth's tides, but as it draws nearer, that pull becomes monstrous. Massive, relentless tsunamis would rise like watery giants, crashing into coastlines and swallowing cities whole. Tidal waves, hundreds of feet high, would engulf everything in their path. And it's not just the oceans that rebel. The increased gravitational strain would rip at the very crust of the Earth. Dormant volcanoes would awaken in fury, spewing lava and ash into the skies. Earthquakes would ripple across the planet, splitting landscapes apart. The air would grow thick with ash and smoke, blocking out sunlight. Temperatures would plummet, plunging the world into a volcanic winter, long before the final impact. But here's where it gets even more astonishing. As the moon enters the upper edges of Earth's atmosphere, Earth's powerful gravity would seize it like a predator locking onto its prey. The moon would not stay whole. Earth's gravity would begin tearing it apart, fragment by fragment, in a violent process known as tidal disruption. Huge chunks of lunar rock would rain down like cosmic fireballs, igniting the skies in a fiery apocalypse. And then something extraordinary happens. Rather than a single catastrophic impact, the shattered remains of the moon would spread out and form a dazzling ring of debris around our planet, much like Saturn's famous rings. But don't be fooled by its beauty. It wouldn't stay in orbit forever. Pulled by gravity, many would fall to Earth in a relentless bombardment, scorching the land and boiling the oceans. The planet would be battered for centuries by the aftermath. Eventually, the planet might stabilize, but life as we know it would be pushed to the brink of extinction, if not wiped out entirely. Civilization, ecosystems, and climates would be forever changed. But what if we managed to survive this cosmic chaos? Humanity, resilient as ever, might find shelter in underground cities, shielded from the fiery rain above. Scientists could harness the debris, could develop new technologies, even mine lunar fragments for rare resources. And as centuries pass, life might crawl back from the brink. Earth, now crowned with its own majestic ring system, would stand as a symbol of survival, a scarred but living world orbiting under a ring forged in fire. It's a reminder that even in the darkest of times, life always finds a way to endure. So the next time you gaze up at the moon, remember, while it watches over us like a faithful companion, it also holds the power to become our greatest threat. Subscribe for more mind-bending journeys through the cosmos, because the universe is full of wonders and nightmares.